Another caller for Pinduoduo. Hello, everyone. Buongiorno. And there it goes. Yeah, my puts have been very profitable today. Who's that?
By live, you mean live stream on YouTube?
Yeah, I'm on YouTube right now, so they can hear you talking.
I gotta watch my mouth then.
I just figured with the market being what it is, it might be fun to go live for the power hour.
Yeah. I'm actually doing good with those VXX calls as soon as they enter that gap.
SPY just broke the rising wedge.
Yeah.
I told you, I was like, it's almost time for it to be bearish again. Let's go quad screen. Everything except for energy is red right now. It looks like all the... I love how the worst performing ETFs are all of the ARK funds. Every single one. Cathie is just getting murdered today.
Good.
Good.
Yeah, honestly, VXX is the way to go right now. If you saw the hourly invariant,
Yeah, I mean, everything. Even ZOM is doing bad. VXX. You like VXX over UVXY?
yeah, that thing doesn't move, dude.
I mean, it doesn't, but it's cheaper. I mean, VXX is long-term and UVXY is short-term. So.
I like the volatility on VXX, honestly. And the premiums are just as cheap.
Yeah, I
if you look
suppose
at
you're right.
At the hourly, just focusing on those scout wicks, as it already started to fail there, so it can go all the way back up to 17 probably soon. So yeah.
Yeah, I'll probably swing my puts if I'm going to be honest with everyone. I don't see myself. With the flow and everything we got, I'm worried that we gap down tonight, and then I just don't see us being super bullish until after quad witching. I think it's going to be pretty risky until March 19th. It's a little worrisome. Can I full screen this, or is it gonna flash? It's gonna flash. I don't know why it does that. It's annoying. I need to get different streaming software.
Do you change the DEFCON yet?
No, it's still 2. I mean,
2, right?
Yeah, it's been 2 for a few weeks now.
Like a 30% pullback?
I mean, it's 10%.
So far, since...
The correction's what, 10 to 15%, and the market crash is 30 plus?
Yeah, I'm an idiot for... I was just looking at my the analysis when we started dropping. I called it 5% correction. I just couldn't edit it. Like 15 minutes later, I realized, but TradingView doesn't let you edit or delete your post after 15 minutes. But you only get that time span.
Really?
Yeah.
March 19th is quad witching. It's when your weeklies, your monthlies, and your quarterly um, options expire all in the same day, and then your futures contracts also expire on that day. So all of the contracts are expiring on one day, basically, making it the most volatile trading day of the year. Potentially. Last quad witching we had, Tesla literally dropped like $50 in 5 seconds and then made it all the way back in the next 2 minutes. So it was pretty ridiculous to watch. So, yeah, I mean, let's go on the big screen and do some charting. So, SPY holds under 377. It is still extremely bearish. So if we go, this is the 1 minute. If we go on the 15 minute. Yeah, I had predicted on live last night. Looks like I said 356-ish was going to be the correction for this. And then potentially down to 320 would be the stupid correction that we were going to get. But, I mean,
Let's go.
SPY broke. Basically, it bounced on this support right here, but be curious to see. It did break the uptrend. I think it did. Yeah, it did. So, I mean, did it? Maybe it didn't. Maybe it didn't. Either way. So this is the most recent move. Interesting. The cues look really bad. They look really bad. So, looks like the Q's tapped 100 and then bounced on it. If they go under 100, what are we looking at? 287 maybe? Be interesting. I want to see what kind of flow comes in the last 20 minutes of the day. That's going to tell me what I need to know.
I forgot, but do you know if you can trade also the VXX until 4:15? Or like 15 minutes after market closes?
Say that again?
Uh, can you also play the VXX after 15 minutes later after market closes? I forgot. I know you can do it on ETFs. Not sure if you can do it on all of them though.
Let me, Alright, you can do... Yes, you can do VIX, so...
Right, thanks.
all of the XL, all the X, VIX, UVXI, OIL, SPX, KRE and KBE. Oh man, I'm only playing ETFs from now on. If we can play those till 4:15.
We're selling off now. I just saw it go. You just dropped like 50 cents out of nowhere.
Spy.
Yeah,
Womp
there it
womp
is.
womp.
There it is.
Blow it up on the big screen.
So I need to sell my VXX calls. They're not worth doing the lot of for a week. I mean for tomorrow.
So let's go. EFA there, VIX there. Let's go. Hey, let's do the. Dude, I feel like this wicked up just to trap a bunch of people in on AMC and GME because it triggered my alert and then immediately sold off, which is really annoying.
It just went for a gap fill.
Yeah, I just gap filling.
Still, the bullish case word is still valid though. On Elliott Wave. There.
Let's get rid of some of these lines. These are okay. So that's done. So we don't need to worry about that anymore. Ooh, that's a big. There's some big red candles. Oh, we're getting more flow alerts. Ooh, another put on ARC. Ooh, GameStop's pumping. What do we get rid of for ARC? Vixie? Probably don't need Vixie. Oh, yeah, that's a big fat candle in ARC. Oh. Ooh. I really want to... All my puts expire tomorrow, so it's like... Oh, do I swing them? Because what if we do tank tonight? What do you think, Anthony? You think we're tanking tonight?
I haven't honestly looked at the bigger charts on this. Let's see.
Oh yeah, it did just go for that gap fill. You're right. It literally tapped it and then rejected back down.
It honestly depends. Let me see. So I do think that it's gonna try and sell off more, but I don't think we're cracking too much lower than 374. So if tomorrow we start the morning sell off, or even
if we end the day at 372, oh man, it's gonna gap down hard.
Yeah, that's bad. But I do. Well, if it gaps down and skips, which one do I have? A 370. That's one, but then 364, I believe I have, or 360.
Yeah, it would. I think it would gap down to at least 369, possibly 365. But yeah, it's filled. It's filled every gap on the way up. Well, maybe there's a small little gap at 358. But oh, there's some gaps down here though in the 330s. Do you think we really come down to the 320s to refill all those gaps?
I don't think so, honestly. It's too much with the. Hold on. What I think it's going to do, honestly, it does look like an even bigger head and shoulders starting from January 5th on the 4 hour from January 5th. That's the shoulder until January 29th. Then the head. So tomorrow we bounce, we try and go up again, fill those gaps, push as high as 380 probably, and then drop.
So you're saying don't swing puts?
Yeah, I've never been a fan of swinging puts, mostly because every red day is a buying opportunity for people. So, and it really messes with your head a lot that you're down a lot, and when when you finally say enough, like you sell, then 2-3 days later, then you could have been profitable. It's very psychological.
Is the stimulus vote today? In the Senate? Because I could see that pumping us hard, and maybe that would be something I'd be worried about.
Senate votes to begin debate on Biden's 1.9 trillion COVID. Ooh, is that the catalyst? Yeah, if you've never swung next day expiration, I would not advise it. I usually always lose money on swinging next day expiration, 9 times out of 10.
From what I can find, it looks like they're reading the whole bill before they vote on it, and that they expect that to take about 10 hours. And that was 3 hours ago, so maybe 7 more hours of reading before they even start voting on the amendments to the bill. So, and Romney said that he's okay with delaying the vote. So I don't know that it will be done unless they do it late tonight.
Thank you. Oof. GameStop pumping now?
Yeah, I was just about to say GameStop's setting up for another move.
Is AMC gonna follow?
Looks like it. It's pumping too. It's, almost once GameStop breaks out of that ascending triangle, we'll see what happens.
Everything. Just freaking Hulk dicked. Wow.
GameStop's going.
It sure is. What are you doing, EEM? Crash. Is it because... Die. Why can't you die? What is it? Why won't you die? Ah. Mango black tea. Nom 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 nom.
That sounds good.
It is good. Pure Leaf. If you like Pure Leaf tea, just came out with these and the big bottles, and there's I drank one yesterday. It was lemon, unsweetened. I think they're unsweetened. Oh, it's got slightly sweetened, so it's like 60 calories a serving, which isn't too bad.
I've been keeping an eye on Workhorse, and that thing has been moving interesting lately.
Oh my, it just pumped.
Yeah, he had the Scout Wick, as Doggy will say.
Scout Wick.
In the 5 minute, yeah. Right there. When it first pumped up before 2 p.m. Eastern.
And GameStop is going for that Scott Wick too.
Yeah, GME is going for 147, 148. Just go to your home.
Is AMC gonna do the same though?
AMC
It
is
looks like it.
not
8.6.
doing what it's supposed to be doing. Everything's pumping right now. People trying to buy the dip. I should buy some GME shares. You know what? I might go do that. Or do I get AMC shares to help you out, Genie?
You do you, my friend. It's up to you.
It's like I will not advise you one way or the other. Is there anything that's green? My EF
GameStop.
VXX.
Oh, banks are still green. Wow. Cigna? What's going on with Cigna? Oh my. Oh my. Oh my, Signal looks amazing. Signal looks really good. Do I try to make another million on Cigna? It's got a cup that is forming right now. Oh, the Scoutwick to 230. CVS? Don't tempt me with CVS. CVS is green? Ugh. That's ugly. Ugh. This needs to get pumping.
Dude.
Unfee screen. CLR. Oh my, CLR looks like it could pump again tomorrow.
Costco's running, apparently.
I could see Costco running. Ah, it's just getting back up. I'm gonna buy some CLR. Or do I buy ASO? 'Cause I don't think ASO's popped out yet. God damn, it looks really good. think CLR has a better chance of. Maybe I'll split it between the two.
Dude, I love trolling Dougie and Danny because of Cathie Woods.
Are they obsessed with her?
Yeah. Oh, wow, it's down
The
6%.
best. Calm down. She's having a bad day. Everybody has bad days.
Izzy, you're on YouTube.
Oh.
Yeah. I mean, I just don't think that it's just, normal rotation stuff. Like, you're not gonna just have your money all into one stuff. And the fact that she's being aggressive with all that buying, especially on Tesla.
She's gonna lose a ton on Tesla.
Yeah. So, if you're one of, her clients, and then you start seeing that they're excessively just buying into just one stock, it's kind of long.
She went way too hard into Tesla.
Yeah.
But don't you think she makes money off Tesla too? Because she always resells it and then buys back in.
If she's maybe selling premium or something, but I don't know. For now, she bought, what was it? The last time she bought 750, 780, and she bought a fuckload. So ever since, Tesla's been going, and we've been looking at it. Yeah, we've been looking also at her balance sheet and everything, and she just keeps on buying more instead of selling. So.
Alright, I bought 1 share of GameStop. 1 share. Just so that I could feel like I'm part of the movement. And I'll buy 1 share of AMC just for you, Jeannie. 1 share.
As long as you're on
Watch
the
it
right
spike
side of
up.
history.
Alright, I'll buy 10 shares of AMC. It's pretty cheap.
There you go.
I'm going real risky
That's
here.
the thing.
Honestly, you know what you can do? Just buy 15 calls for next week. That's it.
My money hasn't cleared through the clearinghouse, so I can't buy options yet on Webull. So I only they only let you buy shares with while it's pending.
Yeah.
Yeah, then get into shares. Get some shares.
Yeah, we're in a private
Get
voice chat in
$108
Discord. Yeah. So I think I got filled at 134. Let's see what happens here.
Dude, my friend's still holding this from 375, I think.
Tom, just get $108 shares.
I bought 10 of them just for you. There's the tank job. Have a nice evening star with a reversal bearish engulf. Bearish. That's not, what is that called? What do you call it when the next candle skips down? I'm drawing a blank right now. It's not a piercing. It's a. Oh man. I don't know. I'm drawing a blank right now. Having it.
Tom, apparently you went deep on AMC.
10 shares? I'm a gambler.
You're being clowned in the training chat right now. Man, our members are ruthless sometimes.
Yeah, that's alright. I got filled at $7.99, so technically I'm making money right now. I'm up 20, I'm up 20 cents.
All in good fun, all in good fun.
I put most of my account in CLR and ASO shares. You know, I just like the stocks, you know. Look at that. See, now it's up 7 cents since I bought.
Daily volume on AMC is about to beat the last 2 days in volume. It just keeps going up. 1 cent at a time.
Silver looks like it's bear flagging, I'm going to be honest with you, and it broke my uptrends. I might have to take it off the alpha list. I had the alert set, and it's never going to go off now. There's something going on with metals. I think people are liquidating them for potentially buying the dip.
Or maybe they're just moving to crypto. They see institutions that are moving to crypto too.
That's what I was thinking, you know. I think they're, instead of holding silver and gold now, they're holding, you know, Bitcoin is where they're rotating in.
Right.
There's the pump. My account's mooning. Look at that. I'm up $2 on GME. Love it.
It's 3 now.
Isn't Tay's got GME shares too, doesn't he?
Last I checked, I think so, but I don't know if he hung on to them or sold.
Spies bear flagging too. Ooh, yeah, I'm swinging my poots. What just came through? What is... Oh my. AMD's getting really bad flow. What's IWN? Is that like yeah, the Russell. So, Russell just got more flow. It double topped. Looks like tomorrow's going to be wave 5 of the correction, if this is wave 4 right now forming in the end of the day. Ooh, doggy. We're going to get some action at the end of the day, I think, here. Wish I could play music. I need to find some royalty-free music. I think Tay sold. Yeah, he might have. Some DMCA free and copyright free music. Get a little music going in here. Sing for you guys. No, I was playing music on YouTube free before and they still copyrighted me. But I searched on YouTube for some copyright free music, so let's see how this sounds. I haven't pre-listened to any of this music, but I'll have to try to find some playlists that are free. Saying there's enchiladas in the oven. I did make enchiladas that one day. Ooh, yeah, some Bach. Yeah, let's see if there's some more upbeat music than that. There we go. You Alright, I want to see us end it. I want to see this break and us end at 372. I mean, everything is in a bull pennant, though. I don't know if you see this or not. This music's a little bit more upbeat. I remember that one night I fell asleep. That's what happens when you stay up too late and you drink a little too much whiskey while you're doing it. I woke up and there were still like 200 people on the stream. I was like, oh boy, I should go to sleep. Alright, let's check the flow out. We ain't getting any flow. Oh, that's a big red candle on GameStop. And there goes my average on GameStop. That's a big red candle.
AMC is still holding up.
Yep. And that's why I bought one share. One share.
Yep.
Just for the giggles and to support the cause. SPY is forming a rising wedge. I don't see good formations going into the end of the day, to be honest with you. Here's a stock you should look at. ATH. Called this one out earlier today. It looks really good. That's a perfect cup forming on ATH. Inverse head and shoulders, or you're saying like these right here on the 1 hour? Maybe. I guess I could kind of see it, but that's a pretty weak left shoulder in my opinion. That and the volume on the left shoulder is bad, while the volume on the right shoulder is a little bit better. I could see SPY maybe pumping to like 378-ish. If it closes at 378, that'd be a good sign for us to be bullish in tomorrow. But if it closes down at 372, if it breaks this uptrend line, be a little worried. What we got left here? We got 10 minutes left. Everyone's like, no, let's be bearish. Tell you what though, GameStop's making a nice flag over here. GME needs, or let's see what AMC does here. Needs to hold here as well. I've told everyone, if you're playing stuff and you're in money and you're making profits, right now is time to take profits quick. Because the market's so kangaroo-ish, it could literally switch at any second. So make sure you take your profits quick and you cut your stop losses quick. Oh, GME just broke south of the pennant. That's no bueno. Now we're hoping it holds 128.
It's staying above VWAP. It's just, let's see, 15 minutes. 1 hour. 4. I think it looks like it's gonna be another one.
A flow at the end of the day is being a little light. When are we getting in the 1s and 2s? Seeing some flow come in for AFA. What's the flow on AFA like? 800,000 in calls and 0 in puts. What's AFA look like? I'd like to see it break this downtrend.
On what?
APHA, AFA, weed.
No, I'm just looking at SPY with the sell-off.
Yeah, spies. There's a good battle going on between bears and bulls right now. It's a really good battle, but that's a pretty big red candle.
Yeah, the volume too.
Oh, that is good volume, yeah.
That
The volume was on the green candle though.
That would have been good, but this is not ideal for. If we stay below 375, then yes, we are going lower. It's gonna pump into close.
I hope not. I want it to die.
Same. Well, I don't have anything in it. I just have BXX, but
I mean, I got shares in my new account that I made at Webull. Well, it's not a new account. I just put money into it finally. And then on my old Robinhood account that I'm getting rid of, I have puts. So if the puts don't work, then I can get rid of the Robinhood account and not worry.
Fubo been pumping.
Fubu?
Fubo. See that recovery from 27 to 32?
That is a good recovery. 27, $5 recovery. Wow. Still has a downtrend it's about to hit though.
Yeah. So this is basically trying to show that this growth stock could become a value stock. But I doubt it. It mostly because of the streaming service. It's
I
highly
mean, they have the sports betting,
and,
which could be good.
yeah, but, you know, you're also competing with every other what's it called, a sports book that's out there.
True.
Illegal.
I just don't think Fubu is going to break into the market like the other players already are in.
Nah, probably not. It'll be probably like a good haul for maybe double its price.
Is Fubu international or is it just American?
Yeah, it's international.
So maybe there's some markets for it internationally.
Well, like I think in Europe they have it because I was in Spain and people mostly look to just watch news and sports, mostly soccer. And football does have a lot of the rights to stream the games, but if they can get like the main events, like for instance the Champions League for soccer, they can get those rights, then they should be set because it's widely watched, like worldwide.
I'm seeing a Head and Shoulders on SPY right now. On the 3-minute, small, but I'm seeing it. I don't know if it'll play out. We'll see. If it plays out, we're ending at 372. This thing's gonna dump $3 real fast, probably. But never know. Doesn't have to.
I am really debating whether to sell or not this VXX calls. Because realistically, I will be losing how much money? Let's see.
Oh, there you go. It just bounced right off of the uptrend. Wait. We're getting increased volume on these red candles, which is bad. Oops.
Bro, the 4-hour volume on this is insane. If you start looking how it just keeps on increasing.
On SPY or what?
Yeah, on SPY. I'm just looking at the 4-hour. I was looking at the volume, and it just. Yeah, since 2021, the selling volume, even though we've been going up, it's been increasing a lot. Let's see, what could be a good
2 minutes left.
Ooh, let me see what could be a good put for tomorrow. Intel can Intel head lower? Let me see if it's 55 next week.
We pumping in the close. This is a good sign. Or it's a trap and the shorts are covering. But it can't hurt if you're bullish.
And it rejected.
Ooh, it's going all over now.
Yeah, this is wow. Tomorrow should be an interesting day.
That means if it does gap down, it might open at 372.
So you're saying I should hold my VXX?
Not saying anything.
So you're giving me financial advice?
I just like the stock.
Oh, you what's GameStop? 132. What'd you buy at?
Like 134. I'm not worried. Like I said, it's one share. I'm gonna set a sell order at 1,000 and hold it till then. I just don't think it has the fuel to get there anymore. I don't think it's shorted enough anymore. 30 seconds. Should we do a countdown into close? 10, 9.
You still have time for ETFs after hours.
Yeah, agreed. Not getting any flow at the end of the day, so I'm sure it'll come in after hours, though.
I'm holding after hours. I think it's gonna be a pump. Yeah.
You think we pumping after hours?
Yeah, we are.
Oh, we are pumping. And we're done.
And this is still pumping. Let's see. After hours, time to close.
I am liking though that SPY pumped and EEM sold off, so that makes me happy.
Here we go, the dump. I just needed to get.
Alright, let's go duo screen. Let's turn on extended hours. SPY is pumping. Oh my.
Yeah, that last candle had pretty good volume. We have 12 million.
I think my puts are in danger.
Mhm.
That's okay. Anything. I mean, all we need is futures to go China and Europe to be red, and that'll pull us down. Do we have any data tomorrow? Where is the calendar earnings? We got for a calendar tomorrow. So non-farm payrolls, unemployment, U.S. federal budget. Imports, exports, hourly earnings, average. Some good data tomorrow that could pull us down. I think the data's been bad this week, so. And SPY's struggling to stay green after hours. I don't see any call flow coming in. So that must mean people have already made their decisions. We'll stream for another 15 minutes until the ETFs close.
Apparently we had the same sell-in volume from March sell-off today too. I think it mostly has to do because there weren't as many people involved into the market.
We were talking about that earlier, weren't we? About how all the retail traders now are having a greater effect on how things move.
Different room.
Oh, with Thomas. I mean, there's 230 million in SPY puts and 60 million in calls, so it's almost 4-to-1 ratio.
The downside is that everything moves on low volume lately, especially Friday tomorrow. Could really look to just start pumping. Gotta see what's the deal tomorrow for series.
AMC's not doing much at all.
Nope.
Nope. I'm tired. I stayed up too late last night.
Although it did form an ascending triangle today, the entire day. Sold off in the morning and then went back up to where.
Tomorrow I feel like it could be another sell-off.
Yeah, Jonathan. So with the bond yields increasing, it basically makes equities less valuable because you can have guaranteed earnings through bonds. So in March, when the bond yields went down to nothing, we pumped equities like crazy because people saw more value in long-term gains in equities. Now that bond yields are increasing, institutions can put their money into them with guaranteed returns. So it's a safer bet, and that's having a negative effect on the equities market, aka stocks. X-Row penny stock. I swear 90% of the time my people just ask me about penny stocks. I don't know anything about it. It looks like an inverse cup and handle, though. It looks really bearish. Oops. ASO's pumping after hours. That was a good winner for me. Well, none of these other things are doing anything. Looks like Mark had a good day. I think a lot of people hopefully had good days today. It's kind of crazy, but
It wasn't hard to not make money today, dude. All you had to do was just buy puts at any moment. Not even buy puts, just don't buy any calls. That was
don't buy calls, yeah.
That was it.
Good. EEM is tanking after. I need it to go down $1, and I'll make 10 grand. For every dollar EEM goes down, I make 10 grand.
Jeez. Is SPY about to go red?
I may have hundreds of contracts. They were like 4 cents each, so I just bought a ton of them. It hit 17 cents today too, and I didn't sell. I should have sold, probably. I got greedy. That's why I don't tell people when to sell, because I'm a greedy person myself.
Bro, I still can't believe what happened with fucking Intel today. I'm an idiot. I'm so used to as soon as I enter a trade, I go to sell it, and just the muscle memory, go to bid, hit sell. I was going
Intel
on,
looks awful. That diamond.
Yeah, so on Intel, I was going to see what the bidding ask was because it was fluctuating a lot, and then just by muscle memory, go to the bid. The bidding ask was, I placed it at 109. I think the ask was at 140.
EEM is the emerging markets. It's basically China tech stocks. So Baidu, Samsung, Tencent, Taiwan Semiconductors, Baba, all these Chinese tech stocks are major holdings of EEM. FYI. And EFA is European, basically the same thing but Europe.
Spies about to go red after hours. Oh,
Oh, my buddy wants to have a divorce party.
divorce party.
Yeah.
Oh, what now?
He was married for like 10 years and he got divorced and he wants to go to Vegas to have a divorce party.
Ah,
That could be fun though.
yeah.
Is that what you adults do?
You're an adult too. I guess you're not like you're not that big of an adult, but oh wow, yeah. Sens is up. Sens went up almost $1 after hours.
Dropbox.
Oh,
is
they
still
had
holding-
earnings. That's why.
Dude, Dropbox has still managed to end up green, 3% up.
Oh my, and it's pumping after hours too. It's up
Insane.
almost. No, Dropbox is up almost 50 cents after hours.
No, it's not. Really?
I got it at 23.28 right now, or yeah, 23.28.
Weevil says it's down 5 cents.
It's $400 to go out to Vegas for 4 days, flight and hotel, everything included. $100 a day with
That's
the flight.
so cheap. Do it.
So
Do it.
fucking cheap. I could go there and still work
That's a
too. That's the
joke.
best part.
Are you going live tonight?
No, Thursday nights is when we get together and discuss coding things. So
No, okay.
gotta discuss what we want to code, projects we want to work on, how can we make things more useful for everyone, that kind of stuff. The markets are pumping a little bit after hours.
Yeah.
I am now red on both AMC and GME. That's okay. I'm down like $1. Oh, I got you $1. Holy cow!
Oh, you saw that
What
drop?
was that? Oh, there we
Yeah.
go.
Ooh,
That was fun.
that means something. That means something. I was just looking
It
at
was like a $1 candle instantly.
Yeah.
That was fun.
I wonder what are those drops?
Yeah, these are some nice wicks that it's leaving. A lot of hammers forming. Are we alright, so no more options. We didn't get any flow to tell us nothing. That's sad.
Yeah, I just got out of my VXX for tomorrow. I still have 2. I'm holding just Let's see how it goes. AMC down 1% after hours. Alright, I'm gonna go get ready to walk my dog. I'll probably catch you guys tomorrow then. Are we going live or something tomorrow?
No, I mean, probably not. I didn't work today for my other job, so it means I probably got to do something tomorrow.
Yeah,
At least for part of the day. I did do a lot of work ahead of time this week, so I don't think it'll be. Maybe I can go live for the end of the day again. If I leave early and get everything done and get home by like 1 or 2 and trade the power hour for going into the weekend, that would be fun.
Yeah. Alright, well, I'll see you tomorrow then. Catch you later.
Alright, I think I'm gonna get going too, so.
Alright, peace.
Thank you, everyone. I mean, market's basically done, so hope everyone has a good night. No, I'm not going live tonight. Went live last night, so probably won't go live tonight. If news comes out or something crazy happens, maybe I'll go live tonight, but I wouldn't expect it to happen, I guess is what I should say. But thank you, everyone. Let me just check something real quick. Oh, that's a candle. Alright. We'll see you guys all on the flip